Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to avoid electrical shorts. Once done, take the car to a certified shop to have the refrigerant recovered. You cannot safely open the A/C lines otherwise. With refrigerant handled, remove the serpentine belt and loosen the compressor electrical connector and clutch wiring. This gives access. Then drain any old compressor oil carefully and note oil quantity. Retaining or measuring it matters, because the new compressor needs the correct oil charge. You should support the compressor before removing mounting bolts so it doesn't drop. Remove bolts in a crisscross pattern to ease strain. Next, disconnect the suction and discharge lines, cap ports immediately, and replace O-rings with fresh, correctly sized, condenser-safe rings to prevent leaks. If your new compressor doesn't include the clutch or bracket, transfer those parts now. Once mounted, add the manufacturer-specified amount and type of PAG oil to the compressor. This ensures lubrication and prevents immediate failure. You reinstall the serpentine belt and torque the compressor mounting bolts to the specified values, then reconnect the electrical connectors. After reassembly, make sure you take the vehicle to a certified shop to perform a proper vacuum and refrigerant recharge. This removes moisture and sets correct charge. Once recharged, start the engine and cycle the A/C while monitoring pressures and listening for abnormal noises. If cooling is weak or you hear clatter, check for leaks, low charge, or incorrect oil amount. Those are the most common issues.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.